When it comes to school furniture designs, SAFFE Furniture has a wide variety of options, including tabletops. We know that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to creating future-ready educational environments that accelerate learning. That's why we offer 4 different tabletop materials. The most popular table work surface is high-pressure laminate, known as HPL. Laminate is a great option for multi-purpose and classroom tabletops because of its durability. It has impact, scratch, and abrasion resistance. Laminate is also available in a wide array of colors, including solids, patterns, and wood grains. A tabletop option that is popular for sturdy industrial applications is butcher block. We mainly see this option on carts and workbenches in STEM, makerspace, and specialty career and technology applications. Butcher block can also be refinished as needed. Stainless steel worktops have a particle board core and are wrapped in stainless steel in grade 304. This grade has corrosion resistance and is used in food processing. We typically use these tabletops in career and technology schools with food programs and specialty industrial carts. Chemical-resistant tops are popular in lab spaces. Options include laminate tops with chemical resistance added, or a solid surface material. Laminate options are available in a wide variety of colors, while solid surface options are typically black and have the added benefit of being resistant to bacteria growth. These are just a few of the great tabletop options that you can get with SAFFE. If you have a specialty need for your tabletop, reach out to our team. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching. To stay up to date on new educational content from SAFFE Furniture, don't forget to follow and subscribe. And if you're looking for new furniture for your school, visit saffefurniture.com.